This is my first time staying at the Lusso Boutique Hotel along the Han River in Da Nang, Vietnam's Hai Châu district. What really caught my attention was the character of the place. It's full of charm and really has its own personality. I originally booked a deluxe room for one night, but they surprised me with an upgrade to a 2-bedroom apartment. This was a really nice room. I had never heard of this hotel before. It has character. It's a bit older. It's not brand new, but the room was fresh and clean. The bed was very comfortable. The pillows, the shower had hot water, and the amenities like a toothbrush and toiletries were all provided. I really enjoyed my stay and wish I had longer. I slept in this room because it felt bigger and the shower was wider. Everybody wants to be in Da Nang right now, so the hotels were either fully booked or overpriced. So when this one popped up at a good rate, I jumped on it. I was a little skeptical since I've never heard of it, but figured, hey, it's just one night and it's along the Han River, so it has to be okay. Compliments to the wonderful staff for their exceptional customer service. They were pleasant, welcoming, and very professional, helping me with my bags and making sure I was comfortable. I truly enjoyed the hospitality. Thank you, Lon, for your kindness. She was awesome. The hotel sits along the Han River, and you can see the Dragon Bridge. It lights up at night, and it's a gorgeous view. Along the river walk to the hotel, you have coffee shops, you have restaurants, and you have the Indochina Mall. For direction purposes, I'm facing the hotel. It's about 2 blocks from the Novotel. You cross the bridge, and that gets you to the beach side. This is the beach side. There's the Indochina Mall. There's an apartment building. One of Vietnam's favorite pizza places is Pizza 4 Ps. There's a Highland Coffee down the street from the hotel, and all along that strip you have coffee shops, little marts, and a few restaurants. And the Novotel Hotel, you have the Marriott. I'm going to show you a little side street, and you can see they also have Texas chicken. You just take that side street and you come here. This is Indochina Mall. Here is Olivia's Steakhouse. I've been here, and the food is good. The food is very good. Also, you're not very far from the famous Han Market. Let's check it out.
같이 하나 살 거면
The Crazy Han Market. Shall I walk in and walk out? I only walked in for you, to film for you, so that you can see the drama at the Han Market. I wanted to give you a sense of the neighborhood and surrounding area. If you decide to stay at the hotel, it's a convenient and walkable location. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, peace.